The 4K 1080p dual dashcam offers remarkable front and rear recording capabilities with ultra-high definition resolutions, ensuring clear visuals and detailed observations of the road. Its built-in G sensor detects collisions and preserves crucial footage, while the loop recording feature ensures continuous video capture without interruptions. This dashcam excels in low-light conditions with advanced night vision technology, and its parking surveillance mode offers added protection by recording any detected impacts. Integrated Wi-Fi and app compatibility make it easy to manage and share videos, and with the included 64GB SD card, you're ready to go right out of the box. Setting up the dashcam is straightforward, supported by detailed instructional videos, and Nezion provides excellent after-sales support with a 2-year warranty and lifetime technical assistance. The compact design of the dashcam, combined with its robust features, makes it a valuable addition to any vehicle, providing peace of mind and enhanced safety during your travels.